So the question we're given here is to plot the functions y1 and y2 and then find the area bounded between these graphs and the horizontal axis. To get a better idea of what these graphs are going to look like, it's useful to find the points of intersection and find the roots of this quadratic function y1. To find these points of intersection, we can just equate the two functions. Then solving this, we can bring the x over to this side. The two functions are equal when x is either 0 or 2. We can find the roots, so where the function will cut the x-axis, by setting the function to 0. Solving this, we get x equal to 0 and 1. With this information, we can now construct a graph. We can see here we have our quadratic function y1 and our linear function y2. And what we're trying to find here is the area between these two lines, which is also bounded by the x-axis. So if we were just finding the area between y2 and y1, it would also include this negative section, which would be wrong. So we can see in this first part here, the area is only described by y2. So we can call this A1. In this second section here, we can find this area by the difference between y2 and y1. So breaking this up into two areas, we can say that A total is equal to A1 plus A2. We can find A1 just by computing the integral between 1 and 0 of x. Taking the integral of that is just simply x squared over 2 between 1 and 0. Then when we substitute these values in, we get the answer of 1 over 2 units squared. Keep in mind for all these answers we'll be using units squared because we don't have a specified unit. For A2, it's a little bit more complicated, but our area will be basically given by the difference between y2 and y1. So we're going to subtract y1 from y2. Simplifying that expression, we get this polynomial here, which can be easily integrated to get x squared minus x cubed over 3 between the values of 2 and 1. Then substituting these values in, we get this expression, and then collecting these terms, we get the value of 2 over 3. Finally, to find our A total, we just add 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3, and we get 7 over 6 units squared. Thank you for your time.